Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here, back at it with another video, and today I'm going to show you an app that kind of flies under the radar, I think, but it allows you to earn free Bitcoin every 24 hours. And this app is called Fold. You can find it with the link down in the description. And if you use that link when you sign up, you'll get 5,000 Satoshis free. So in the top right, you'll see I have 31.5k Satoshis. It's equal to about $20, but basically they use Satoshis rather than Bitcoin value. One Bitcoin is just made up of like a ton of Satoshis, and one Satoshi is the smallest fraction of a Bitcoin. So I have 31,535 Satoshis from just using this app a little bit, and I can withdraw that to a different wallet if that's what I choose to do. But they do have a card where you can spend your balance, get discounts at a lot of different websites. You can buy gift cards with that card. You can do a lot of stuff on this app. I don't have a card yet, unfortunately, but in order to earn free Bitcoin, you can just come here once a day, tap this icon in the top left corner, the spinner wheel. That's going to open up your daily spin, and on this wheel are all of the prizes that you could win. So you can see one of them is up to 1 million Satoshis. So just tap on the F in the middle of the screen. It's going to play the animation. It's going to give you something. And today I got nothing, so that's kind of an L. Really unfortunate for this video example, but it is what it is. You could hit any of the items on this wheel and win that, and then you can just come back every 24 hours or every 20 hours. You see the timer there in the top left. But yeah, that's the Fold app. Kind of underrated, fun little thing you can do every day to earn some free Bitcoin. Definitely check it out. It seems like a great app and company. I'm excited to see what they build in the future. But that'll do it for this one. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.